In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic 2 Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQ, that is time of flight of the projectile is solution, that is the range of the projectile is given by T is equal to V naught square sine 2 alpha divided by G. The range is minimum when alpha is equal to pi over 4. The time of flight of the projectile is given by T is equal to 2 V naught sine alpha divided by G. Since V naught sine 2 alpha secant alpha divided by G is equal to V naught sine 2 alpha can also be written in the form of 2 sine alpha cos alpha. So secant take in denominator, so that is G into cos alpha. So numerator denominator cos alpha cancel, so equal to 2 V naught sine alpha divided by G. So option A is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.